Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. Man, that hey part didn't work right this time. It didn't work. Channel, it's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey, make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. So I'm so excited. I really feel like I say that all the time, which I do. Literally, probably if you go back to all of my videos, I'm like, I'm so excited. So you just, oh my god, I'm so excited. I really am always happy and excited to share with you guys all of these DIYs that I do. And today I'm like beyond, because I cannot believe what I made using those grill pans from the Dollar Tree. Yes, I saw them, spotted them, and I was like, Pegboards. So I had my fingers crossed because I wasn't sure if it was really gonna actually work out, but it did. And so today I'm gonna share with you how you can make your own. You can literally do so many, like, you can get so many frames and just do like this whole wall of pegs, and it's so cute. So anyways, I just did 3. I'm gonna show you how to do them today. So let's get started. All right, so to start this project, you're going to need some picture frames. So I got these 2 picture frames, and I'm also gonna be using an 8x10 picture frame. And then you're going to need the grill topper pans. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my grill topper pan, and I am going to simply cut it out. Be very careful when you're cutting it out, because you do not want to slice any fingers or poke yourself, because this is aluminum. All right, so after you've gotten it cut out, here's the 8x10 picture frame I was talking about. I'm just going to remove the glass from the frame, and then I'm going to use the glass to actually help me cut out my aluminum to the exact shape. Nice and cut out, I'm just going to place it in my frame, just making sure that I have a good fit. And then I'm going to take my glue gun, and I'm going to start to glue this to the frame. So you can glue it to the back like I'm doing here, or you can just simply lay it flat and then add your glue on top. You can use your glue gun like I'm using, or you can use E6000. All right, so now I'm basically gonna do the same exact thing that I did with the 8x10 frame to my other 2 frames that I have. So quick thing, I just wanna tell you, I did try to use the 11x12 picture frames. I think they're 11x12, and they were actually too big to use. So if you do wanna make this a little bit larger, about the same size as the pan, you can find something that's larger than an 8x10, but not as large as 11x12, because it's not gonna fit. So now the last thing that I'm gonna do is spray paint these pegboards. So I decided to spray paint them 3 different colors. So you can choose to do your boards different colors. You can do them all the same. You can do the frame differently. Then you actually do the peg part. So whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Have fun with it, but that is literally all you have to do for this DIY, and you can make as many as you want. All right, so now I'm gonna show you some things that you can add. So I got these round dowels from Walmart, and they were 97 cents. And I got them because they are different sizes. So I believe I'm either using the 3/8 or the 5/16 dowel. It's one of those 2. And now I'm just going to cut individual pegs to actually place onto my pegboard, and then also the rods that I'm gonna use to add the washi tape and all that. All right, so now I'm going to stain each of the dowels. So you can stain them or you can paint them. I'm staining them, and I'm using one of my favorite wood stains, which is Briar Smoke by Rust-Oleum. All right, so now I'm gonna spray paint these little S-hooks that I got from the, I was about to say the Dollar Tree, from Walmart. as well, and they were 97 cents. So I'm just spray painting these so that they will match the whole little vibe that I have going with my pegboards. Now I'm gonna show you some things that you can kind of do to like put your pegboards together. So you can use these pegboards in your craft room, you can use them in your office, you can use this to actually place jewelry on as well. So I'm gonna do it as if I'm using it in my craft room. So I'm just going to add the dowels here with the S hooks. And then when I add my dowels, I'm just going to add washi tape. So you can add the washi tape, or you can actually add more of the S hooks onto the rods and add like tape or ribbon or twine or things like that to store them. All right, so now I just added this cute little galvanized tin that I picked up from Michael's. It was like $1.47, and I'm just going to add my stencils in there, paintbrushes. Then I'm just gonna add the pegs kind of all over the pegboard, and you can put whatever you want on there. Just make sure you're sticking with light items. I wouldn't put anything too heavy on these pegboards. All right, so that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, as always, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.